Now, how do I want to do this? Let's just get it up and get it out of the way so I don't have to worry about it. I don't want to put it to where it's going to be in anybody's way. And if I build it out, it's got to come out quite a bit. Yeah. If I put it over here, it's going to cover those plugs. Yeah. What if I put it down here? Let's see. Yeah, I'd probably do that. It's going to be a little tough. It's a good spot, but it's a bad spot. It's a good spot to mount it at, but it's a bad placement because of the way I got to get to it. How much room do we have in here? Not enough room. Well, we have enough room, but we don't have enough room. That makes any sense to you. Now what I could do, I need something that'll fit in here, but yet leave room for me to attach. Now whatever I attach to here is always going to be there, so it's not like it's going to be coming on and off. This may do it. Yeah, this is a BNC attachment, right? Right. Yeah. Don't take it off right about here. No, right there. And it's a little deeper, which makes it better work. Yeah. Okay. Gotta drill a hole. Gotta drill a hole. Wait a minute, what's this one? That's a self-tapper, but you know what? That'll probably be just fine. Do I have a shorter one? Actually, these would work just as good. Let me open these holes up. I'm going to do the same thing. Come on. Yeah? How many total? Yes? Alright, gotta go see mommy. Alright. Happening right, please. Happening the wrong time. I don't want to split that. So let me go hold. coming. I think it's in here. I do. I did. Now, what do I want? I want the end connector over there. Maybe, yeah. Do I want it over there? No, I want it over there. Yeah, this is the way I want it. I don't know. I want it this way. Yeah. Yeah. Up a little bit. And up there. Alright. Put a little of this on there. I think I'm going to need it. A little bit anyway. It's all over you. Stop that one. Wrong one. Alright. There you are. Now let's bring you up a little bit. Nice. Perfecto. El Condor 5. Okay. Alright. Don't look bad. Now, as long as we're doing this, let's get this covered so I don't have to worry about that. So let's see, what do I need? I need, I don't know, 48 inches maybe? 40. Okay, so let's go 44 if I can handle it by at least 4. 44 by 4. Okay. Let me look for this. Are you guys even on? There you are. You